Diana here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest.
It's me. I am my mom's daughter, and we're gonna open a Claire's haul.
So she subscribes to, I subscribe for her, Claire's subscription box. So this is, I'm looking at the description online. It's called Sunshine in a Box. It is for ages 3 through 8, and you get at least 5 to 7 products. And the subscription is $19.99. There is also for older kids, 9 years and older, and that box is called the Bright Vibes, and you get 5 to 7 items as well. So today Emily is going to open her box. This is the July's box subscription, so let's show you what she got.
We're gonna open this right now. Now Ria will open it and see what they have.
I'm gonna show it like how it looks inside. So this is how it looks inside.
Uh-huh.
It comes with a little card.
Uh-huh.
Cute packaging.
Mm-hmm. And now we're gonna open the whole thing. Let's see. And then we will open the stick it off and see what we have.
Show them one item at a time.
Okay, we have one octopus's keychain. So if you have one of these in Claire, please get this because I got this one. It has hearts in it, in the eyes.
You open it. Okay.
And this is the collections they have. And I got this one is the pink one. So cute. I love it. And what's next? Then I got a necklace. It has strawberries and watermelons. So cute, right guys? Now I'm gonna try to open this.
What's the opening here?
Yeah. Now I'm gonna open it the right way to open it. And then we're gonna open it now. And this is what it looks like. It has a bracelet strawberry. Cute! I love it. Then we have this Claire's bracelet. See, my favorite one is the pink one because it has hearts and I love hearts. And they have watermelons clipped, strawberries, and pineapples. Great. So I can put on my head whatever I want.
You can take one and show how it clips in your hair.
Uh-huh.
Let's see.
It starts with a watermelon.
Pineapple.
Pineapple, sorry. Look, so beautiful, right? It looks so beautiful. Now we're gonna take it off. And now there's the last one. It is for your ears. You can put ear stickers on it. See? And now open it right now. There you go. And this is what it looks like. We have heart. We got like these shells, I think. And there's flowers. And I have a clip like this. And it's so beautiful. And there's rhinestones.
Oh, so these are like stick-on earrings.
Yeah.
So for those of you who have your ears pierced, you can still use them.
Yeah, but I don't really have the earrings.
You could put a little, let's put a little one next.
Yeah.
See how it looks like. Oh, they just peel right off the stickers.
Yeah, the stickers. Now we can show you. See, it's so beautiful. I think we can do it both sides for matches.
Okay, let's do the other side.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really sticky, so that's a good thing.
And that's both sides, see? And the other side has the same Ooh. And now we have both sides. And now we'll open the whole thing and show you how it looks like on my body. We have this. So beautiful. And now I'm going to put it on and see how it looks like. Ooh, do you like it, guys? It's like, show you. Hot. Yeah. The next one we have this. It is strawberries and it has this flitter. And that's the strawberry king. And then we have this regular one on. It looks so beautiful because it looks like it's like golden or something. It's silver. Silver is a good one. Look at this one. It's so golden. I love it. It's like rich, you know.
And this was the set.
And this is the set of the necklace and the bracelet. Let's try it on, guys. See? It's so beautiful. I love this one because it's rainbow. I'm going to try this one on.
Does it fit?
See? It fits you to your fit. And then I really love my other ones I got from daycare. This one's from daycare I made. So yeah.
What do you think of the box, Emily?
The box is so beautiful because, let me show you.
You like everything in the box?
Yes.
That's what I meant. I know you like the packaging.
I know. I love this box because I love this purple fitter.
You like everything in the box?
Oh yes, I love it. Mostly my favorite, it is this one. It's so cute. Do you think? I'll put this on my background. It's so cute.
So would you recommend this box?
Yes. Recommend this box is so cute. And I love it. Look, it's so beautiful. And the inside is even beautiful than I thought.
Okay guys, so if you could see, everything fits her just perfectly, and she is 7 years old. It says that on the online, it says it's up to about $45 value, and we paid $19.99 for this box, which is a pretty good deal, you know, all the Claire's items that she got that she could use. So I highly recommend checking out Claire's website and taking a look and see if you want to subscribe to it.
And I have a lot of lip glosses on Claire's, so we might sell them for someone else. And please subscribe if you want to buy one.
Anyways, thank you for watching today. We had a fun time opening this box.
Yes.
Till next time we talk again. Have a good day.
Bye.